Hello fellow YouTubers. I just want to do a quick video this morning about this is the UK release of Texas Chainsaw. So this is the 3D and Blu-ray version. I decided to get this one. There is the other 2D version, but the slipcase is, in my opinion, not as nice as this one. So I went for the slightly dearer version, even though I haven't got a 3D TV, but I just got it because it was a nicer case as well. So, but when I eventually get one, it'll come in handy. So there you go. So this is the front. Nice gold, no embossed stuff or anything. It's just like a goldy brown coloured skin type thing on the front. And see just the back. You can get some pretty good special features. Cast and crew, audio commentaries, special chainsaw Illumi with Bill Moseley, Gunnar Hansen, Marilyn Burns and John Dugan. You've got featurettes, alternative opening and more. So just a synopsis of the movie. So let's get into this. So cover just the same as the slipcase. Just one disc. No artwork, just one disc. So nice artwork on a disc. I suppose expected a little bit more out of there, but never mind. So exactly the same as the slipcase. So that's what you can expect. Not a lot, but you know, some one or two special features that are quite cool. And you know, I like the film actually. Thought it was okay. Not as good as some of the other Chainsaw Massacres. You know, my favourite is the beginning out of all of them. I like that one the most. But you know, this one wasn't bad. So that is the UK release of Texas Chainsaw. Thanks for watching.